Hello, and welcome. Today, we will be going over how to perform bin location changes using the scanner and parts wizard system in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, preparing your scanner. Step 2, changing bin locations using the scanner. And Step 3, posting and reviewing your bin changes on parts wizard. Step 1, preparing the scanner. To prepare your scanner for use, first open the Scan Wizard application located on the home screen and make sure that Parts Wizard is open on the PC. Next, tap on Done Scanning to enter sync mode on the scanner. After a moment, the scanner should display Waiting on command. Go to the computer, and make sure the Sync Scanner button is blue and activated, and not grayed out. This will ensure that the scanner will sync with the PC successfully. Next, click on the download arrow in the upper right. Make sure inventory is selected, and click OK. Parts Wizard will download your current orders and inventory, and then automatically attempt to synchronize the inventory to the scanner. This process will be displayed in the download status window. When this process is completed, and the download status window disappears, tap Start Scanning on the scanner, and wait for the application to load. Step 2, changing bin locations using the scanner. Tap on Bin Changes to enter into the Bin Changes screen. Confirm that the scanner shows connected in green. To perform a bin change, scan the bin location label on the outside of the bin, and then scan every single part in that bin that you wish to assign to that location. The scanner will display information as you scan, such as the scan bin location, the scan part, on-hand quantity, and description. If you need to create a new bin location to assign parts to, tap the New Bin button, and enter the desired bin name and tap OK. The new bin location will now be listed in the drop-down menu for bin 1. Tap the part number field and scan all parts you wish to assign to this bin. Step 3, posting and reviewing bin changes on Parts Wizard. Your bin change scans can either be set to automatically post while you're scanning, or set to be manually posted so they can be reviewed first. To turn on automatic bin change posting, click on the Settings section, and then select Features. Check the option for automatic bin change posting and click Apply. If you do not have automatic bin change posting turned on, click the Start Posting button. Select Bin Change Posting, and click OK. Parts Wizard will then attempt to post your bin changes. To review bin change scans, click on the Bin Changes section. You will see a screen that displays the manufacturer, scan part number changes, part descriptions, the current bin location for scanned parts, and the bins that part numbers have been assigned to. The part numbers you scanned in will show up here in white, red or green. White indicates we have not attempted to post these bin changes, red indicates we attempted to post the changes but they failed due to an error, and green indicates that the bin changes were successfully uploaded to your dealer management system. You can right-click the part numbers to receive additional options, delete and retry errors. Delete will remove the part number entry entirely, and Parts Wizard will not attempt to post the bin change. Retry errors will attempt to post any bin changes that did not process initially. Once you have finished reviewing and posting your bin changes, you are done with this process. If you have any questions, or wish for further training, please contact us. Our tech support line is available Monday through Friday 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern and 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Saturday. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.